I got two baby girls I ain't seen in a minute, but I know that that ain't right. I'm tripping. For your love I must compete, but that's okay. Hello beautiful people, I am Maya Niece and this is my makeup tutorial for glasses. So I'm deciding to make this video because like I love to wear my glasses, but I'm also getting into makeup. I also like makeup, so it's nothing wrong with that. And I also know I don't want to wear contacts, so why can't I wear makeup in my glasses? Shouldn't be nothing wrong with that. It should still be a cute simple look while still wearing my glasses, and that's what I do. Or I walk around blind, you know, either one. I'm going to do my hair like later on in the video. I do have like a 60s 70s look going on with my ends are bumped, so that's why it's not done. But it's not, it's we ain't gonna worry about that right now. We're actually gonna move the hair out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna start with a primer. I already did my skincare, of course, but I still put primer on. We're gonna start with our Smashbox primer. I put that on all on my face. You don't want the skincare to go to waste by just putting on your makeup. Still, that's done. All right, I start off with my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows even though I'm still kind of doing the clean girl look. I still do my eyebrows because as you can see on my eyebrows, I got some hair loss going on the ends. And I don't really like that, but that's just how my eyebrows are. So I do fill in my eyebrows. I comb them out. Because I also do have like, every now and then, like I have like a random eyelash and eyebrow hair on my cheeks. So I comb all that dead hair out of the way and make sure I line it nice. Line it nice. Cause I'm gonna draw it in and fill it in, so I don't need no outsiders getting in my way. Okay, so then I use the same, I still use CoverGirl products. I don't know if CoverGirl went out of style or not, but I prefer to use my eyebrow pencil from CoverGirl. And I fill those eyebrows right on in. And I do a little bit in the front as well. Whoop. Just make it a little bit straighter, and then you whoop. And it's gonna look ugly, that's fine, because we're going to shape it all up with our contour. I do the same. Excuse me.
Oh my god, what is that?
Child. Not too much, yeah. That's it, just a little bit. Okay, so next, excuse me, we're gonna go in with our LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I just do the outsides. I don't fill in the whole eyebrow like I do this. It's just me, that's just what I do. I just do, so I use my little one, a brush like this, and I get a little bit and just outline the bottom of my eyebrow. And do that again. Some more. Whoop. Whoop. Wherever settings don't speak. What I did. Whoop. Whoop. I'm telling you, they be saying eyebrows take the longest. I agree. Eyes and eyebrows take the longest out of your routine. Then I go use this on the top. Whoop. And I just do half of the eyebrow, just this. Half of the eyebrow. Does that make sense? I only do half, and then I do the back. And then that's the eyebrow. That's the eyebrow routine. And then I, you know, I go in and I fill it in. Fill it in. And then you got a better shaped eyebrow going on. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing to this eyebrow. So hold on, I'll be back. Hello, beautiful. Okay, so after doing the other one, I do blend everything in. So I told you, like, it's gonna look ugly at first, but then after you shape it up and then blend it all in, it looks nice. So do not freak out if it don't look nice when you first start, because mine never look the way they're supposed to look when I first start. Like back in 2017, not that I didn't like the box eyebrows, like I don't know, I think I prefer the box eyebrows than the wax eyebrows that girls are doing nowadays. Don't attack me, but I don't know, I don't. If you did it right, the box eyebrow era was not that bad if you did it right. Now if you was them boys wasn't even box, them boys was 2 rectangles, I mean, girl, that's on you. But if you did it right, you was that girl. If you did the box eyebrows correctly, you was that girl. So don't attack me, but I prefer the box eyebrows than the wax eyebrows. So attack your mama. Anyway, so after I do my eyebrows, I go in with the first shade of contour. We use JUVIAS Place. I go in with the shade 15, and I literally just put dots. 2 dots, 2 dots. So I do it 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. That's it, boo. That's it. Don't do too much. We still supposed to be like a kind of a clean girl look, so you're not supposed to do too much. So this was a present from my auntie Jackie, rest her soul. I'm sorry if you can hear my roommates, they are up. You're gonna look crazy, and that's okay. You can look crazy, it's fine. Okay, after that, I go in with my second shade of contour, also from JUVIAS Place. I go in with the shade 11. Still doing dots, not too much. 2 dots on my, I guess you could say my cheekbones. 2 dots on the cheekbones. And 2 dots on the outside corners of my forehead. Go in with my, and I do this up and down. Up and down. Not too much, boo. And watch out for the lace for my wig girlies. Watch out for that lace. I don't want too much makeup on your lace. I think it sets, once I put that setting spray on, it sets so good anyway. So after that, I go in with my another shade of like contouring, because I don't like the bake look too much. I will contour my face to the gods. So I go in with my BR Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup, and I won't even, this is from the shade B419 Caramel. So I just go in with a little bit of that, and it comes like this, if you're wondering. This is like for down here. Just another shade of contouring, not too much. Go down here, and then I also do a little bit up here and up here. Not too much, girl. And I do put a little bit on my neck. I was thinking of that TikTok video. Y'all know that TikTok video where, or not even on TikTok, I think I've seen it on Instagram first, where the guy is like making faces while the people is like doing the cashier thing, and he's just like. After that, we do go in with my blush. I use this Black Radiance press powder as blush. I just do it on my cheeks. I actually mix it. So I do this, and I add from the the Warrior by JUVIAS. I love me some JUVIAS palette. JUVIAS place, I'm sorry. I love me some JUVIAS place, so I'm like, I could be a brand ambassador. I used all their makeup. So from this palette, I mixed the Black Radiance press powder with their Domi eyeshadow palette, and I just put that on my cheeks and I use it as a blush. But before we do that, we're going to go in with we're gonna bake with our setting powder before we go in with our blush. If I know I'm going to be outside for a long time, I put the setting powder also on my glasses. And move it on the top. So going in with the Black Radiance setting powder. I'm using it as blush. I like a brown. I do pink blush, but I love a brown and orange look on my cheeks. I'll blush my face to death. Too much, enough. Okay. So then I go in with the Gani and also from the same palette, I just go in with just a little highlight on my nose. I use the Heyyyyy from the same palette, the Warrior by JUVIAS palette, just to make sure we're all on the same page. I go in a little bit and go in on my nose. Go in a little bit on my nose, and then I go in a little bit on my cheekbone. And you can hardly see it, but it's highlight right there. You can't see it, but it's there. I promise it's there. Somewhere it's there. And that a little bit better. And if you really feel it funky, you can also put like a little highlight. Every now and then I put, like, if I'm going out, I put a highlight under my eyebrow. And just feeling crazy. Woo! Girl. And that's all. You just woo! That's it. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Okay. After that, I did my setting powder. I did my contour. I'm going to blend in certain stuff that I feel like, and it's always my forehead. My forehead is always the least blended in. I'm gonna blend it in a little bit more. And then we're gonna go in with our lip gloss. Oh, and I also don't put lashes on when I wear my glasses. I just put mascara on. Today we're going to go in with our Revlon Bold Lacquer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. You tell me if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But our Revlon Bold Lacquer by Grow Luscious or Luscious. Nobody told me how to pronounce. Okay, then we're gonna go in with our Morphe lip liner. And as you can see, my lips are, I feel like they naturally already have a lip line. Black Girl Magic. I like to enhance it because I want you to see it in me. See, I already naturally have one. That's just that Black Girl Magic that I got. You feel me? And I don't do too much. So on the bottom, I do the whole. And then on the top, I just do this. I only do this because I already have one. Like, I already naturally have a lip line, so it's like, why? All I gotta do is I do the top, and then look, like, it blends in. It blends in. So that's just me though. If y'all don't have what I have, you could just do the whole thing, but I just do. Then I go in with my e.l.f. lip gloss, the Crystal Aqua lip gloss. Go in with that. After I go in with my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, which is almost gone, I use it so much. Then I'm going to go in with also my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. I don't know what shade this one is. Yes, my Mocha Twist. So I go in with the Peach Bellini first, and then I go in with the Mocha Twist because I kind of want to add some red into it. I mean pink, I guess you could say. And then I'm gonna go back in with put it on the top. And I mixed both of these together. This has my setting powder, so I do go in a little bit, just so they won't be too slippery, just so my nose don't get too oily. I put some setting powder in between the glasses where my nose goes, and that helps. But let me get my setting spray first. That's what I'm using, my setting spray. It's from Morphe. And yeah, but I'm gonna be back. Let me do my hair, and then we're gonna do a little 1-2, 1-2. Hold on.
I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Okay, but yeah, so in conclusion, don't be afraid to wear your glasses, because you can still wear makeup with your glasses. Like, you can still be cute, and you don't have to do too much. You could do like a simple 1-2 and going on about your day, just like I did. Simple little 1-2 and went on about my day. Even I also think I noticed a thing about e.l.f. lip glosses. Like, you gotta like see how it kind of looked hard when I first put my lip gloss on, but you gotta let it marinate into your lips a little bit. Just like with makeup, you gotta let it marinate to your skin, and it's gonna come out looking nice. Just give it time, be patient, like let it marinate, let it set in, and it's gonna look so cute. Like, I like how it came out. So okay, so that's the end of this video. I'm glad you guys could get ready with me so I can show you guys how I put on my makeup with my glasses. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Mwah.